In this video, what to do if a Lego piece is missing from your Lego set. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to Brave Advice, building your Lego knowledge. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the Brave Advice YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about what to do if a Lego piece is missing from your Lego set. So, if you buy a Lego set and you are building the Lego set, but then you realize that when you get to a certain step in the Lego instruction manual that you need a certain Lego piece, and then you realize that the piece is missing. I'm missing this piece. What do I do? There is something that can help you. Lego.com has a thing called Bricks and Pieces. This is where you can find the missing piece from your Lego set and you can order that piece. And I myself have used the Bricks and Pieces Lego service before. It is 100% guaranteed to work. I'll leave a link in the description to the Bricks and Pieces Lego service, and it's guaranteed to work. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the Brave Advice YouTube channel. And I'll see you next time.